Hi and welcome. This video is about the 3 things that are going to help your channel the most, especially when you are just getting started. If you have already started growing your YouTube channel and your videos are not getting the views they deserve, stay with me as well. There are so many great YouTube videos that are collecting dust, that are not getting the views they should be getting. If this is a problem, you are about to discover 3 steps that you can start using right away that will fix this. It is all about grabbing your viewers' attention. YouTube is a big, busy online platform, and that is great because YouTube attracts a huge audience. YouTube has about 122 million visitors daily, which adds up to about 1 billion hours of watch time daily. As a YouTube creator, you have 3 things that you can start doing to capture your viewers' attention. A killer thumbnail. A compelling title. A hook. For custom thumbnails, do what the successful creators do and provide some indication of what the video is about, but create what is called a gap of curiosity. This will spark more interest and draw the viewer in. For your video titles, the 3 most important aspects to make it click-worthy are emotion, relevance, and curiosity. The best YouTube titles increase your click-through rate, which in turn drives your watch time, subscribers, and every other YouTube metric that matters. In other words, good titles are essential and vitally important. Your hook is what makes your prospective viewers want to click the play button and watch your video. You only have a few seconds to hook your viewer. What this means is that there are some non-negotiables that you want to include in your video content. You need to identify your viewer's problem, need, or desire, and follow that up with the promise of solving their problem or satisfying their need or desire while trying to evoke a strong emotion. When creating your thumbnails, titles, and hooks, keep your viewers in mind, remembering that their job is to grab attention, to be click-worthy, and to hook your viewer.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!